Hey everybody, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. Today we've got a real cool vintage truck to tell you about. It is for sale. Go to volocars.com. You'll see all the specs, pricing, and you'll see a couple hundred collector vehicles, including some real nice trucks on our website for sale too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting a few videos a day on there. Trucks have really gotten popular over the last few years, and really people associate with them. They were work trucks. People have a lot of memories, a lot of attachment to trucks. That's why they've gained in popularity. But what makes them popular now is the short bed, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Those are the things that I look for when I buy trucks, because that's what the people say they want. People want to get in and use it. They're not going to use it to haul mulch or gravel, but they'll use the trucks. Take it to a car show on a Saturday night, and on Sunday, if you got to run to the store and pick up a couple things, that's okay too. Let's take this one for a spin, and I'll tell you about this one that we've got sitting here. It's an Oklahoma truck. It was body off the frame restored. A collector bought it down in Oklahoma, already done, and he went ahead and spent about $4,500 servicing the mechanics. Mechanically, it is dialed in, and like I said, you want to use one, this is set up to use. It'll come with the receipts. But obviously it's stunning and black. It's got all the deluxe trim. It's got nice big chrome wheels. All the trim is done. The bumpers, the moldings, the stainless. It's painted real nice. Body's straight. I mean, the reflection is like a mirror. I say you can read the fine print of our contract in that reflection. New door handles, gas cap. All stock inside, the correct upholstery, steering wheel. It's got the headliner. Real nice looking inside carpet. It's got the molded in speakers with the retro stereo. Got 350 motor in it. All chrome up here, chrome bumpers, anodized grille. Got a few upgrades in here. New air conditioning system, new alternator, HEI ignition. It's got a carburetor with an electric choke, aluminum intake, MSD box here. The motor compartment's very clean. Air conditioning works. Everything works in the truck. So again, turnkey, ready to use. Door jambs are redone, all new weather stripping, new sill plates. The turbo 350 trans was just rebuilt. Has coilover shocks front and back. In the bed, this is a Brothers kit. They sell truck parts. So it's like a reddish stained oak with all stainless steel strips and hardware. So let's start it up, hear how it sounds. It has a cargo light. It's got real nice idle. The dash bezel is replaced, dash pad is new, door panels, armrests, window cranks, it's all new stuff. Got a nice fan and fan shroud. Everything looks proper. Motor itself is running real nice and smooth. New emblem. Lights work. I'll wait for it to come around so you can hear the exhaust, how it sounds coming right out the tailpipe. Looks good in black. Those are torque thrust wheels. They look like they're 20-inch. Tires look new. No bubbles or anything along the bottom. This fits nice and square, and look, there's no bubbling or no issues. Got a real nice sound, not obnoxious, but it sounds like a muscle car. License plate light works. So there you have it. I would say this is a show quality truck, but you can get in and drive anywhere, anytime. It is dialed in. It'll come with the receipts. I was just looking through them. It's over $4,000 was just spent making sure you could drive it anywhere. Go to volocars.com. We have this truck and several others for sale. And subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy looking at really cool cars that are actually for sale.